guys, here are C and Abby welcoming you to another episode of our Portugal travel guide series. For those of you who don't know us, we are an Indian couple based in the US and love documenting our wanderlust stories in these videos for our channel Boarding Adventure. Today we will show you everything we did, the places we went to and the experiences we had on our 3-day trip to Lisbon, Cascais and Sintra. The yellow and red cable cars of Lisbon, the history of Portuguese colonialism and the explorations by the sailors, bold colors of Pena Palace in Sintra, and the cliffs and stone mansions of Cascais have always captivated our attention in history books and lately on social media, and we are so excited to have finally got the opportunity to experience it in real. We started our journey from Cascais, where we stayed in the beautiful Casa Villa guest house, which offered such a tranquil and sophisticated ambience. Next, we wandered in the old historic quarter and admired the quaint cobble streets, cute little alleys and pretty doorways. We also drove to the Boca do Inferno, Santa Marta Lighthouse and Marina and was greeted by the waves splashing against the cliffs of a long coastline and into the caves and natural arches. In Sintra, we parked our car at the entrance of the city and took the bus number 434 from the train station for the uphill journey to Pena Palace. Standing on the top of the hill, this palace is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, a national monument, and one of the 7 wonders of Portugal. Its huge enveloping walls with cylindrical bastions, Moorish arches, domes, and the clock tower painted in bold colors of yellow and red makes it such a picture-perfect and dreamy castle in the hills with panoramic views in all directions from its terraces. We also took a tour in the inside of palace where filming was not allowed, but the dining room, chapel and the noble room had numerous royal collections. After checking out from our Airbnb, we went for a walking tour by foot to know more about the history of Portugal. We learnt about the literature, the culture of coffee, oldest bookshop in the world, end of monarchy, years of dictatorship, colonial battles and the drain of wealth, and how it all ended with the struggles that the democracy and youth faces till today. It's partially relieved by the booming tourism few years ago. In reference to the Carmo convent, we learnt about the 1755 Lisbon earthquake, where many lost their lives in the cathedrals and by the riverside on the holy Christian festival of the All Saints' Day. Unharmed areas of red light district and places where the bars stood led many to question their faith. We also learnt about the many great leaders, saints and sailors like Vasco da Gama at Arco da Rua Augusta. We also walked to the Lisbon Cathedral and the Insta-famous Pink Street known for the nightlife around it. To ride or spot some cable cars, we recommend going to Ascenso da Gloria and Aliveda da Bica. For stunning panoramic views of the city, we recommend the Miraduoro di Santa Luzia, Portas do Sol Terrace, St. George Castle viewpoint, and the free extension of Santa Justa lift. At sunset, we made a trip outside the main city to the Belem Tower, which was the point of embarkation and disembarkation for Portuguese explorers and is a ceremonial getaway to Lisbon, and also to the Monument of Discoveries, which symbolizes the Portuguese age of exploration in the 15th and 16th century. Interestingly, many ships departed from here to trade with India and the Eastern world. So guys, that was all from a 3-day getaway in and around Lisbon. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, do like, comment, subscribe and share, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications about our upcoming upload, which will be the Algarve coast of Portugal. Till then, take care and we will see you all very soon.